Hey, what's up? I've been using Figma Weave for a few months now, and I can tell you that I really like this tool because it allows me to experiment with new types of creative work that I wouldn't normally try. It's not just AI slop, it's a workflow system that allows you to build a creative process step by step and get something that actually feels coherent instead of constantly switching between Midjourney, Runway, Photoshop, and getting scattered across different tools. Everything is centralized here, which means you don't have to pay for multiple subscriptions just to access different AI models. You can get access to some of the best AI models on the market, whether it's Gemini Pro, Grok AI, GPT Image, seedance 2.0, or even higgsfield. Just make sure you pay attention to how much each credit costs. You can work on video editing, audio, color grading, compositing, and masking. It doesn't stop at simply generating images. And if you're working with a team, you can build reusable workflows without having to explain the entire process every single time. That can save you a ton of time and give you a clearer vision of your art direction while allowing you to push certain creations as far as possible. It's also really useful for repetitive production tasks. For example, you could create 20 variations of the same banner for different formats without having to redo everything manually. A lot of people are using it for branding or even UGC. One thing I really like about this tool is that I can take certain creations much further. Let me give you an example. Sometimes it's really difficult to find royalty free images with the exact angles you need for your projects. And that's exactly where Figma Weave can help. What's also great is that you don't need advanced technical or design skills to use it. You can pick it up pretty quickly and start creating some really good stuff. Personally, I went with the professional plan, which costs $45 a month, but I'd recommend starting with the starter plan, since it's the cheapest option. It should be enough if you're mainly generating images. And don't worry, it's really easy to cancel your subscription whenever you don't need it anymore. Figma also has a great reputation when it comes to customer support. If you're looking to create 3D assets or videos, I'd recommend going with the more expensive plan so you have more room to work with. Another advantage of Figma is that it's secure. And like I said, you can easily cancel your subscription. You can even adjust your plan depending on your needs. I actually started with the free plan, which gives you 150 credits just to see if it was worth it. So if you're worried about committing too quickly, I'd recommend doing the same thing. It's also worth noting that Figma is developing new features really quickly to make the tool even more complete. I see updates about this all the time on their LinkedIn page. So if you work in e-commerce, at an agency, as a freelancer, in design, or even in marketing in general, I definitely recommend checking this tool out. They also have a ton of tutorials on their YouTube channel explaining different ways to use their workflows. They've even made some ready-to-use workflows depending on what you need, whether it's mockups, illustrations, or even product photography. I have included my affiliate link, which will take you directly to Figma Weave. Feel free to use it if you would like to support me. Anyway, I plan on continuing to use it and making more videos to show you just how powerful Figma Weave can be. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about the tool, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'd be happy to help.